Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle the checkbox using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. In this example, we are going to write the script for this web page. See here, we need to check this checkbox, and also here also we need to choose the favorite language checkbox. So let's see how to write the script. Open Visual Studio and first launch the web browser. iWebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Then open the web page. driver.navigate.go to URL. So here we need to copy the web page. We need to copy this URL here inside double quotes. Now let's identify the web element. So go to this checkbox, right click and select inspect. So here this is a web element. So here we don't have any ID or name locators. So we can use the XPath. Right click, select copy and then select copy XPath. Now write the script as driver.findElement by.xpath. So then open bracket inside double quotes, paste the value which we copied and then replace this double quotes with a single quote. Now store this in a web element. iWebElement and here give any variable name, basic checkbox. Equal to driver.findElement of that element name. So then basic checkbox dot we are clicking that checkbox, right? So basic checkbox dot click. Now let's run the script. .NET run. So now you can see the checkbox is clicked. Now let's write the second scenario. So here we are going to click these two checkboxes, the Java and Python checkbox. So first let's identify the web element. Right click from this Java checkbox. Go to inspect. And here also we don't have ID or name. So let's identify the XPath. Right click, go to copy and then select copy XPath. And go back to your Visual Studio Code and here write driver.findElement by.xpath and open bracket inside double quotes, paste the XPath value which we copied now. Then replace these double quotes with a single quote. And then here put a semicolon and then store this in a web element. iWebElement select Java equal to web element name and then select, so we can give the variable name as select Java. Select Java dot click. Similar like we can write the script for this Python checkbox. So here also go to this Python checkbox, right click and select inspect and then here also we need to copy the XPath value. So right click, go to copy and copy XPath and then go back to your script and here write driver dot find element by dot XPath. Here also paste the XPath value inside double quotes and replace this double quotes with a single quote. Here put a semicolon and store this in a web element. iWebElement select Python. So this is just a variable name and you can give any name. Select Python dot click. So here we can add a delay, so otherwise the script will execute very fast. To add a delay, write thread dot sleep of 5 seconds. Now let's run the script. Here first this basic checkbox is selected, then Java checkbox is selected, then after 5 seconds this Python checkbox will be selected. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.